Need to get a ball. I kicked a ball over the fence.
Where, there?
Yeah.
Or there?
There.
That's...
Right there.
And jump over?
I was thinking about doing it, but I didn't want to do it.
Can you not reach? Is it too high for you?
Stop being a nugget.
Stop being a pussy then. Have you seen our new fucking gondola?
I know. Bro, at first you were laugh. Thought it was you were building a boat. And I was like, hold on a second.
It does look like an ancient sort of boat,
yeah.
like the one that they make in Road to El Dorado.
Like, do you know what I mean? Like a little boat, not like a...
Yeah.
Like a roll your boat.
It's actually a hammock. Should we set it up for a minute?
Not right now, bro. Get busy climbing all the fences.
You can't.
Ow!
See, I told you can't get over there.
That's sharp. Oh, it's a nail. Shit, it's a nail. I thought I got stunned. It was a fucking nail. This is a bad idea.
Climb over the fence next to it that's a bit more solid. Come on. That's not the what I'm laughing at.
What are you laughing at?
It's a good start to the vlog, innit? Hi.
Yeah, will you throw my ball back now, please?
Oosh.
Oh,
Okay,
you gotta do it with me throwing it.
What?
You gotta do it me throwing to you and then you head it.
Go on.
Yeah,
Wow.
that was really good.
That sounded so flat against your face.
How much of your nose did that hit?
Look at Owen doing his fucking tricep dips in there.
Oh. Well, I think no one's watching.
Tell him he's a nugget through the letterbox.
You're a nugget. Look.
Oh, don't touch it.
Why?
I'm gonna do
There's
something
ants on it! Get off him!
Oh, they're eating him.
Look how cute he is.
Sorry, little dude.
He looks like he's sleeping.
Hey, oh, he's one of my best guys. They've got sick tails that have got like black and white stripes like this. It's really cool.
Cute, man.
Oh.
Should we do a burial?
I don't think you should be touching.
He's like
you gotta wash your hands
so,
afterwards.
he's so soft. Oh, I'm really sad.
Is there a bird print on the window? There's an actual wing. A feather stuck to the window.
Oh, you stupid little guy.
Should we do a burial?
Yeah, but I might cry.
Jack, will you say some words?
Yeah, but I'm not touching it. So, today we're gathered here to witness Tony the bird. It was just so unexpected. I mean, we were just a few kids having fun.
Oh no, it's kids.
Like, Tony, I miss you so much. I didn't even know you in real life, but I miss you now.
He's got a really kind face.
Got a very dead face.
He's an actual bitch in real life, though.
Yeah, we don't know this. You always presume that everyone's been really nice.
Yeah.
Serves you right, you stupid little...
Yeah,
He would have been like that Adolf Hitler in the bird world. Like,
This is why the ants are like stomping on his grave right now. Because he's just been like slaying insects his entire life. How many ants do you reckon it'd take to carry it? Imagine if like when we come back...
Ants are proper strong.
Ants
I
are
reckon
strong.
4 or 5.
4 or 5 ants to carry that bird.
So strong.
Oh, get out.
We're just going to come back later and he's going to be like trudging along.
I think everyone has.
Yeah, they were massive.
Just a rip-off...
I've watched A Bug's Life too.
Rip-off version of Bug's Life ants.
No, Ants is way better than Bug's Life.
What?
But it was
know
still a
when-
rip-off
yeah,
version of
you know
it.
when they
It's
drink the
not
water.
It's not better. Bug's
That-
Life is well better.
No,
No,
Bug's Life is
stop
shit.
talking.
No.
Stop talking.
The bit where they get the water blob in the hand and they're like... And
Yeah.
I've never seen something more refreshing.
Rest in peace, Tobes.
Rip.
No, Tony.
Tony.
Not Toby.
Jeez,
Toby's the dog.
Toby's our dog.
Toby's the
Get
dog.
the name
Psycho.
right.
So having a little social distance kick around because Eccles is shit at football. So what position do you play, Ben?
On the bed. Left on the bench.
Let's make Eccles a FIFA card, as in like,
the 6 fingers.
yeah.
Pace.
Pace, like 65. Fuck that.
65, I'm actually pretty quick, you know.
Bro, you're like a 42.
I'm gonna say 70.
It's like Sunday League standard though, because we can't compare him to fucking professionals.
Alright, yeah, I'd probably give him 70 for Sunday League. Maybe 65. In between that. I'd give him a 67.
I'll race Jack at the end. Yeah.
You don't want this smoke, bro.
I'm glad you didn't say race me.
You want to race me? You want to race? You're getting burned, bro.
I said 6. With dribbling, I'd probably say 74.
Yeah.
74.
Right.
Attacking work rate medium, defensive workout very low.
No, what's next? You've got dribbling, you've got thinking.
I'm joking.
It goes pace, dribbling, shooting's next.
Yeah.
Shooting's going to be in the 80s, definitely.
Yeah, I'll give you a good 80. An 85.
I go 85, yeah.
Passing.
Passing's alright, you know.
Passing is alright.
Passing's high 70s.
Oh, I'd give you an 80.
Would you give me an 80?
Maybe an 82.
Yeah. And then physical. See, physical, like...
Physical.
No, because actually on FIFA you'd be pretty low, bro.
Do you reckon?
Stamina is dreadful, mate.
Defending, like 50.
Defend, yeah.
Yeah.
50.
Why? Because they fit him better and they fit you better.
Yeah. I bought them, but I kept kicking the floor every time because they're about a size too big, even though they're a 10.
It's banana. It's biodegradable.
What do you reckon?
Right, just
Can you chuck it?
70 pace, 75 dribbling,
Yeah.
85 shooting,
Yeah.
82 passing, and 80 physical.
Defending, 60.
Defending, shit, yeah. 60, 50 or 60.
So we're giving you a total of, I'm going to say an 81, not shiny.
81 not shiny?
Yeah.
Why am I not rare? I should be rare.
You're just a pretty average guy, aren't you? You're nothing special. But anyway, I've been 99 and everything, so we don't need to do my numbers.
Jack Baker's shooting would be like... Jack Baker's long shots would be like 47.
Alright. What about close range shots? 45. Oh, of course, these bibs absolutely stink.
You know what's with that?
Tell Derek to wash his bibs, bro.
Yeah, that was 2 foot in for the camera.
Bet you won't.
Bruh.
Woo!
Hey, Kai, cross pass me. So a doctor sits down with a teenage kid on a obviously like a doctor's bed and just says like he's looking for some results and he says pick a star sign, son, any star sign. He goes, right, okay, well, I don't know why, but Capricorn. He goes, nope, you've got cancer.
Go on, test my touch. Up in the air, bro.
Right, more time, bit more control.
That is the one. Oh, it's not bad. Jesus Christ. I feel sorry for whichever team signs him next season.
Right, so these nuggets are about to race. Definitely one of them's going to pull a hamstring. They're all slow as fuck. And I'm at the halfway line. They're running from the 18-yard box. On your marks, get set, go! Eccles got burned! Jeez, that was a good 3 yards.
Wait, we can't.
What do you say?
Definitely on the ground, can't near me. Any like fruit that I've got that I'm done with, I just throw it in the bushes and let them have it.
So sorted. Wow. He's just so aggressive all the time, Jack. I like the thinking. I'm enjoying scaring people in videos. We got Robin pretty well before.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. Do you want me to stop?
Yeah.
Alright, it stopped. Wow. The disrespect. So we're back home. I just bent my nail back. Oh, I haven't done an outro. Let me ring Jack Vegan. Bonjour. Right, we ain't done an outro yet. What can we do for the outro? What are you doing right now?
I'm eating Tom's Totally O's.
Totally O's. Alright, just plug those in for the video. Where can people get them?
Alright, okay. So, Instagram at...
Cool. I'll make sure everyone goes and gets them. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon. Peace.